Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Steam and confirming the client is up to date. This reduces errors later. Once signed in, close all running games and set Steam to offline if you plan to move large game files to avoid file locks. Make sure you have a target drive or folder with sufficient free space. Check the available GB and folder permissions. You're now ready to create a new library folder. Open Steam settings and follow the next steps to add it. You go to Steam settings, then Downloads, and open Steam library folders to create a new location. Click Add Library Folder, choose the drive and folder you prepared, and confirm. This tells Steam where to install and store future games. Once added, right-click an installed game in your library, choose Properties, then Local Files, and select Move Install Folder to transfer it. This preserves saves and configurations during the transfer. Make sure Steam doesn't get. You finish by setting the new library folder as the default for future installs if you want all new games there. Once a game is moved, verify integrity via Properties right arrow Local Files, right arrow Verify integrity of game files, then launch it to confirm everything runs. If something goes wrong, check folder permissions and available disk space and try running Steam as administrator. These fixes resolve most access and write errors. If issues persist, repeat the move or restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.